Hey guys, this is David Manner. I'm here at the Journal HQ with the ever lovely Sharon Blain. Welcome, Sharon.
Hi, David. Great to be here. Great space. Hey.
Thank you. Yeah, great to have you here. So guys, we're really excited because Sharon and I have been talking about her new online education. And I thought I've got to get this on camera and I've got to tell everybody that we speak to the exciting news that you have in relation to Bootcamp Online.
How exciting is that? It's been 2 years, David. I don't think anyone could even imagine how much blood, sweat and tears and how empty pocket we are after bringing this to market. But the relief and just the pride. I mean, I can't tell you how proud I am that we've finally made it, but what we're able to deliver is just amazing.
Oh,
Super
wow.
excited.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, we're all about supporting good education, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's education and there's good education. And you are pretty much the expert in education in our country, and you have a global following.
Yes,
okay?
absolutely.
Tell us, why has Bootcamp been so successful on the ground, and how you translated that to an online experience for the world to have?
I think the success of Bootcamp is pretty much governed about the content. And a lot of people sort of say, I can't believe you could teach so much in such a short time. It's actually a 36-hour non-stop class that you do. So there's no class like that in the world.
Wow.
But what I'm delivering is everything that you need to know about how to dress hair fantastically. Mm-hmm. So not only long hair, but short hair, down, up, and various other forms. So Bootcamp just covers all the basic skills that you must know to be really great at dressing hair.
Fantastic.
And it's attracted people from, the word spread. We place a class up and within no time at all it's already booking out, because everyone's talking about it. It's just remarkable. We have people in America, in Hollywood, that have come from, the movie scene. I had this wonderful guy who directs 21 shows in America on TV, from Idol to Dancing with the Stars.
Wow.
He brings his team. Some of the best NAHA winners in the world, like American winners, have all been to Bootcamp.
Amazing.
So, it's the word spread.
Yep.
Even my great friends at Vidal Sassoons in London, they've done Bootcamp.
Wow.
With me. So, we've gone everywhere, and now I feel the time is, Bootcamp limits a lot of people. Mm-hmm. If it's not location,
Yep.
it's time,
Yep.
and it's obviously finance for a lot of people as well. So I
course.
really wanted to bring it to life in an online form,
Yep.
so I could really reach out and let everybody have that opportunity.
So what you've done is you've captured all that's powerful, all that's instrumental in Bootcamp,
Yeah.
and you've digitized it,
That's
and now
right.
it's available on an online course.
That's exactly right.
Wow.
Yes.
That's fantastic.
Exactly.
You've pretty much immortalized Sharon Blain.
Well, when I left the studio for the last time after doing the videos last year, I thought, if a bus runs me over today, at least I've left my legacy to the industry. And we don't want another bus to run me over.
No, of
But
course.
but in saying that, I just felt like I had all of a sudden taken everything that I know after all these years of hairdressing, all the skills, all the mistakes that I fixed, and now know that this particular technique works if you do it this way. I've put it all on video, and it's just wonderful to know that students now around the world, can sign up and in the comfort of their own home be able to access this information.
That's fantastic.
I just want the industry to be great at what they do.
Amazing.
And I want them to be passionate. And I think when you have confidence and you feel really confident and empowered with learning,
Yep.
then we'll have a better industry.
Agreed. Well, I don't think anyone out there doubts your passion and your love for the industry.
No, I don't
You've been educating for how many years now?
Oh, look, I say 25, but the company, the Sharon Blain brand, is probably only about 8 years old.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But you've been educating as an educator
Absolutely.
for 25 years.
Yes.
Multiple award-winning educator. And the content that you do produce is very in demand. So
Yeah.
where and how can we find this new online course?
Okay, so we've built the platform, and Bootcamp Online is just the first of many. Okay, so this is the first one that you would do, and it is actually on www.sharonblainonline.
SharonBlainOnline.com.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so
Yeah,
SharonBlainOnline.com for you to excel and add value to
Yeah.
your hairdressing skills as a dresser and learn from one of our very best in the world, SharonBlainOnline.com. Okay.
And it's as simple as signing up. You've got 12 weeks of classes, so every week we cover a different course.
Yep.
And you have an additional 4 weeks at the end just to perfect it. So you have to sign in. You'll have to sign in with a password, and then after 16 weeks, I'm sorry to say, it's all going to disappear.
Okay.
So you really need to, make your time available and definitely practice as you go through each week. So I would recommend allocate, a good hour or two each week to focus on your learning skills and perfecting what you're learning each week. When you move on to the next one, because by the time you get to week 10, 11 and 12, it's a really heavy duty stuff, and if you really need to have those skills really refined so you can do the rest of it. So it's like building blocks.
Absolutely. So you go from milk to meat to strong wine almost, right?
Well, absolutely, yeah.
You've got to handle it. Well, listen, we at the Journal Magazine highly, highly recommend anyone who's serious about their education to go visit SharonBlainOnline.com and take part of this amazing course that she has bled for and put together over the last 6 months, was it?
No, it's been a 2 year in the making.
2 years, okay.
2 years in the making. And I'm so grateful for you to have me here because, it's just so nice to have industry people that respect education. Education is the only way our industry is ever going to be stronger and better.
Absolutely.
And you guys know that. So it's just wonderful for you guys to take the time to have a chat about it as well.
Thank you. Well, we're all about seeing the industry grow, and we know that you share the same values. So together, I think you doing what you do, we do what we do, and the others that care about the industry do what they do. We can keep pushing and driving this industry forward.
We'll have a very strong industry again.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for your time, Sharon.
Thanks for having me.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little interview with Sharon Blain. I really want you guys to at least visit the website, check out what's on offer, and if you feel though it resonates with where you're at with your learning experience, we give you guys the green light on that. So thank you, and thank you.
Thanks so much.
See you guys.